welcome back to Jeannie's Go-To Goodies. I missed y'all so much, and I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. And I've missed these omelets. Oh, I can't wait to get started on this. So my method behind this one is my after Thanksgiving omelet. So I was thinking, okay, so after Thanksgiving, you know, we have all this food left over, and I was like, okay, I don't know about this, throwing all the stuff into an egg and making an omelet, but I said, you know what, hey, let's try it and see how it tastes. So I have some leftovers. My family didn't leave me much, you know how that is. They be eating around here. So I had to like hide some in the refrigerator so that I could have some. And one thing I was hoping that I would be able to get in this omelet was my famous potatoes. Well, they decided to eat them all. So I don't have any of my famous potatoes. But I do have some other goodies. Some recipes from my husband's mom. She makes this wonderful, wonderful stuffing. And I have her chicken and pastry from scratch. Oh, so good. And I have some sweet corn, and I have a little bit of collards. And I'm throwing a little bit of bell pepper and onion, because I usually put that in my potatoes when I'm making it. So I was thinking, okay, give it a little bit more flavor, give a little bit of onion and pepper. Maybe that'll put all the ingredients together. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I can't wait to eat this one because it's just so much piled in. Oh. So, and then of course, we have to have, what do we have to have? We have to have turkey. Got a little bit of turkey all diced up here. And I have, call me crazy, I have a little bit of cranberry sauce. So, I know a lot of people might not like it. I love it. I like having the salty flavors and then having a little something sweet too. So we're gonna put this on the side and try it. And I'll let you know if it's good or not. You know, I'm gonna keep it 100, keep it real. You know me. If it's good, I'll let you know. If it's bad, cut it out. Nope, nope, don't try it. Okay, and see, you can put anything you want in it. Any of your leftovers that sound good to you, just throw it in there. And I'm gonna do a 3 egg because I have so much going into this omelet. I need a bigger, thicker omelet. And you know, I have my little handy smoothie maker over here that I'm gonna use to fluff the egg up, so that'll make it extra good. Okay, my drying towel just fell, sorry guys. Okay, I rub up against it and it just falls. Okay, so I'm excited, so let's just dive in and get this going. I'm hungry too, so I'm ready. My tummy is like, yes, feed me something, feed me something. Nothing like a good old omelet with some leftover turkey and all the sides. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah, we're gonna try this out. It's gonna be a go or a no-go. We're gonna find out, you know. And my mom said she wanted to try it too. So I was like, okay, so I'll cut you a piece too and you can tell me how it tastes. To me, it's a little weird, but you know, I mean, let's just try it and find out. We don't know until we try it, like I always say. Now, y'all know my first thing over here. What do? Gotta get my butter. My butter. Gotta have butter. Especially with Thanksgiving leftovers. Oh, yes. Okay, let's see if we can get it off the spoon and into the pan. Whoop, hope it don't fly on my shirt. I gotta scrape it off just a little bit. There we go. Knowing me, it'll fly on my shirt. I'm so clumsy at times. Oh, it's bad. Okay, so now we're getting that skillet hot like I like it. Oh yeah, so we can cook up all those goodies. Now, the first thing I'm gonna put in is the bell pepper and onion first because it's raw, so it's like freshly cut. So I'm gonna put that in there and let it, you know, do its little thing and marinate and saute. And then I'll be throwing in the other ingredients because, you know, it just needs to be heated up. It's cooked all the way through everything else. And then I'll probably do the meat last. So let's just see how this bad boy's gonna be. I'm like, I'm anxious. I'm like, is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We don't know. Oh, so let's get it going, guys. All right. All right, so my skillet is saying, come on now, bring it on, bring it on. So let's throw in the bell pepper first. We want it to be, soft, not hard. All righty. Let's see if I can get it in there. All right, we're doing good. I'm doing good over here, y'all. Ooh, and you know how this is gonna smell when it is cooked up. Bell pepper and onion. Oh my gosh. And it's sizzling too loud. Let's turn it down. Ooh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Hey, quit talking and start cooking. All right. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh my gosh. So this is red onion I'm using. I didn't know if I said that when I was going over my ingredients. I think I just said onion. But this is red onion and just green pepper, just a little bit. You can pick what you want. You don't have to go by what I'm using. You can pick any kind of vegetable to throw in there that you think is good. I know everybody doesn't like onions and bell pepper. But I could like put this stuff in anything. Bell pepper and onions go with everything. Well, almost everything. Let me take that back. There's some stuff no, but most of the time. Oh, okay, my towel is driving me crazy. Here, all right. All right, so we got this on medium. So we're just gonna like move them around. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper and season them up a little bit. What are you doing, Tanner? You hear me cooking in here, huh? And smelling it? He's smelling that bell pepper and onion. See, he even likes it. All right, yummy, yummy. All right, let's get it going. Just a few more minutes on it. Want them to get a little bit, sauteed. So we'll have some good flavor going. I mean, I don't want to bite into a hard bell pepper, not me. Sometimes yes, but not in this. All right. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is my lunch. Oh yeah, my lunch. And I can't wait. It better be good. As hungry as I am, it better be good. Tanner, what are you doing? I hear you whining over there. What you whining for? My dog Tanner, he likes to go in and out of the house. And I'm like, hey, I just brought you in. You were whining to come in, now you're whining wanting to go out. I told him, I said, I cannot leave my station, so you better do what you got to do. And then come back in. So you're going to have to be patient and wait on Mama. He's going to be jumping up here probably when he smells that meat. And I get that cheese out. Oh yeah, my cheese. Oh man, y'all. Here I go again. I got to get my cheese because I forgot it. Okay, I got to leave the station for 1 minute, guys. I'm so sorry. Ah, okay, hold on. Getting my cheese. Getting my cheese. Getting my cheese. All right, I'm hurrying. Okay. I got my cheese. I had it in a bowl and put in the refrigerator, and someone got a hold of my bowl and ate all my cheese. So I did have it prepared, but someone ate it. So now I'm having to go into a new bag. So I'm just using the Parmesan, just regular food line, Oh, see, I told you, he'd be up here. I see you. I knew he'd be up here when I brought the cheese out. You can't have that now, boy. You can't have that. Okay, all right, so my stuff is cooking up. No, now, Tanner. All right, so now, okay, I said I was gonna put in my veggies, but let's put in, let's put in the veggies. Okay, so we've got collards, we've got sweet corn. Let me turn this on. It is frying up quick, isn't it? Okay. Whew. Okay, now we got the stuffing, and this has like egg. I think it has some liver in it. I believe it's liver, but it's a recipe that my husband loves, and I love it too. She used to make it without the liver for me, but as I've gotten older, I like the liver in it. So my taste buds are changing. So now I eat it up. But I make sure I leave most of it for my husband when we got the leftovers. I was like, just leave me just a little bit. I know you love it, just a teeny bit. All right, now we're gonna put in the pastry from scratch. All right, ooh, look at that. Let me break up this pastry because you know how it sticks together. And the stuffing. And just break it up so it can get evenly warm. You want it to be warm throughout. You don't want to bite into some pastry and it be cold. Ugh. Yuck. That would not be good. No. Okay, look at that. Oh, man. Okay, let's go ahead and put in our turkey. Our diced up turkey. I just diced it up. A little chunky. Because I wanted to know that I'm biting into some turkey. I want to taste it. I don't want it to get mixed in with all these flavors. I want to know there's some turkey up in there. I want some meat. I love my meat. Okay, let me get this off. Okay. Put my fork right there. All right. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Got all that stuff, all those flavors going together. And oh, tasty. Looks tasty. Wonder if it tastes tasty. We're gonna find out. That's for sure. Won't be long. Okay, so I'm just kind of like warming everything through right now, getting everything warm. Then I'll be putting it back into my little bowl. And well, while that's getting a little bit warm, okay, we're gonna go ahead and fluff our eggs. Y'all know I like this little thing, especially with my eggs. Oh yeah. So we're gonna put 3 eggs in there. Yep, drop them right in. There you go. Make sure I got a lock. That would be bad. Let's see. There we go. Ooh, there we go. Locked. Make sure I'm closed up here. Nothing flies out and hits me in the face. All right, let's go. What's those eggs? What's those eggs? Oh yeah, look at that. You see them fluffing up? Oh yeah. All right. We're good to go. Okay, let's take the lid off. Let's try to get this off. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, my eggs are ready. Oh, can't wait. And then whatever's stuck at the bottom, it's gonna get with the egg. And it's gonna be so good. Oh yeah, yummy in my tummy. This is a healthy lunch. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, happy Thanksgiving goodie omelet. Yeah. I was kind of iffy about the corn, but I just threw it in there. I said sweet corn, give it a little bit of sweet taste to go with all the other salty stuff. Okay, let's see. I think it's warmed up. I'm going to turn it up just a teeny bit. Make sure it's, it does smell good. I smell the stuffing. I can smell the turkey and the stuffing. Real strong. Probably because that liver's in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It smells good. Oh, yeah. It smells like Thanksgiving up in here. Oh, yeah. Thanksgiving. Everything all wrapped up in one little goodie. Kind of makes you want to put some hot sauce in there. A little bit of heat. Well, I better not because my mom's going to try it. She can't do the hot stuff, but I might have to do that on the side. Let me dip this in some hot sauce, some Tabasco sauce or something. All right, so that's heated through. Let's go ahead. I just want to stick to my spatula. Stick it this. No. We want all these goodies. Yes. I want every bit of it. Yummy in my tummy. Okay, so here we go again. Let's see. No. Okay, good. I was thinking this is the only bowl I had. I forgot I did my eggs already. Yes. I have a big bowl. Yay! I might have a little mountain, but this will probably go in there. All right, get all those goodies in there. Oh yes. About to burn my hand off. Let's turn this down. Okay. Gotta turn it down for the egg. Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. Oh, look at all that steam. Oh gosh, it smells so good, and it looks pretty. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, I was like, all that stuff mixed together, that's gonna be ugly. But look, it's all mixed together. Looks good. Okay, okay. All right, so we gotta put our egg in. Okay, let's get some more butter so it doesn't stick. All right, there we go. Turn it up a little bit. Okay, let's put our egg. Some cheese. Let's see. Is that buttermilk? Oh, yes. Ooh, let me get all those drippings that stayed in the pan down off the side of the pan so they'll go on that omelet. Oh, yes. Get all over that egg. Oh, gosh, yes. Oh, yeah, butter, butter, butter. Gotta swirl it around. Get it evenly coated. Oh, yeah. All right. Have my fluffy egg ready to go in. Come on. I think I turned it down too much. It's not wanting to melt fast enough. Come on now. We got to get going. You're too hot or you're not hot enough. What is going on here? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. There we go. We sizzling. I know, y'all. I'm dancing over here. Oh, yeah. See, it's fun cooking omelets. You can sing whatever you want to sing. I know, I look crazy talking to the food. But it's so good. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to drop it in. Here we go. Oh. Ooh, yeah, there we go. In the pan you go. Oh, yeah. Let's push this up here. Put our lid on. All right. Now, let's see what we got here. Okay, y'all know me. But I don't know. It seems like it's not wanting to go all over the pan, so that's good. Let's turn it up just a wee little bit. And let it start forming. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of cheese in it now while it's forming. Oh, yeah. Cheese. Oh, gosh, look at that. The reason why I'm using Parmesan, guys, is because this is all I have. My cheddar's gone, my mozzarella's gone, so this is all I have. So I'm having to work with the Parmesan, so I don't know how it's going to taste, but we're going to find out. Well, I do have some Italian, but Italian with Thanksgiving? Nah. I didn't know. So I just said, let's just go with good old Parmesan. So I'm going ahead and putting some in there now. I'm putting a whole bunch in there. Oh, yeah. And while I'm letting this omelet cook up, I'm thinking maybe next time I might do a pork chop omelet. I don't know what I'm going to put in there with the pork chop. I'll think of that later. Haven't gotten that far yet. But I was thinking, let's do a pork chop. And then I was thinking do a country omelet, like with some country ham and some other stuff. Not quite sure the rest, but the meat part I've got down pat. A pork chop omelet and a country ham. I love country ham. Oh my gosh. Taking country ham and some biscuit and some butter and molasses mixed together, and you soften it all down in there. Oh God, you're talking about heaven. Right there. Oh my gosh. So I'm thinking, let's try a country ham omelet. See how that tastes. So, you know, I'll let y'all know my ingredients and what I'm putting in it before I post it. But that's probably my next 2 omelet ideas I'm thinking about. Okay. So we're forming up over here. Make sure we're not sticking to the pan. Okay, come on. Okay, let me go around with it. Yeah, because we got a lot of it. It's extra fluffy. There we go. Okay. So it can evenly cook. I don't want it to burn on the bottom and then the top's not be good and cooked. So now I'm having to kind of form it and bring it down. Oh yeah. Tanner, you wanting to get in there to see Grammy and me? What is going on? Tanner. He's whining. He likes going in there and taking a nap with Grammy and me. What you whining about, boy? What is it? Alright, it's cooking up now. Let's see. Still got a little bit. I forget when I do the 3 eggs, it takes a little bit longer to get it to cook up. Gotta get all that egg. What is it? What you whining for? Alright. I don't even know where it is. Oh. He must know I'm not sharing this. He's like, I better not even try it. He's like, Okay, come on, egg. Oops. I'm gonna cook up now. You just came in, boy. Okay, let's just swirl it around. See, it's cooking up. But see, it's still runny, so I need to move it around. Oh, that thing really made it fluffy, didn't it? Oh yeah, it's gonna be so fluffy. And then I got that cheese in there too. That is so good. What is it? You just came in just a minute ago. You're gonna have to wait. You'll have to wait. Come here. Come over here with Mama. What is it? What is it, huh? What is it? You have to wait. You have to wait. Okay? No, ma'am. Okay, let's check these and make sure I'm not burning it. Well, it's not sticking, so that's a good. Oh, yes, look at that. Getting a little brown. Let's turn it down. Not burning, but you know. Got a little bit of brown going, so it's cooking up fast. Okay. Maybe it's taking a little bit longer because of that cheese. I don't know. Well, let's go ahead and, because it's got a lot going on up here. Come on now. We got to get it together. Oops. Okay, let's see what we got here. So, now, it's cooking up good. I'm going to turn it down some. I'm going to put my goodies in there. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, I wonder if all this is going to go in there. I'm not sure, guys. What do y'all think? Should I make 2? I might need to make 2. Oh, gosh, look at that. I love it when it fills it up. Oh, gosh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Give me, yeah. Okay, I didn't get all of it in there, but that's okay. We can always make another one. I want to make sure I got it in there good. Oh, gosh, yes, look at that, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? Oh, looks good. We're going to find out if it tastes good. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on top. You know me. I like just a little bit of cheese on top. Got some cheese falling out. Okay. Oh, I have to admit, guys, I'm a little bit neater over here, huh? Not as messy. I say that now. Watch. I'm going to try to eat it. It's going to go everywhere. I'm doing better. I'm not as messy. Practice makes perfect. Alright, let's make sure that this omelet doesn't get burnt. Might not be making a mess, but I'm burning an omelet. Okay, we're doing good. It's a little on the brown side, so let me go ahead and flip it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. Y'all know me, I get carried away. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, you hear it sizzling? Yes, oh my gosh, you hear it sizzling. Yes, yes, yes. Let me tilt it up a little bit so that cheese will start melting. Our Parmesan's a little bit thicker, so it takes a little bit more to get it melted. Oh my gosh, I hope this is good. Please tell me it's not burning. I got it on low. Okay, we getting it. trying to break on me over here, but hopefully not too bad. Come on now. Oh, yes. Ooh-wee. I guess Tanner's not wanting to be with me today, y'all. I thought he'd make a little appearance. Well, he did make a little appearance with his paw. He's like, yeah, Mama didn't share her omelets. Oh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Okay, now it's melting. We're getting it now, guys. Almost time to plate. I just have my plate again that I had all my ingredients in. So we're going to put this, the omelet on this. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait. Come on. I keep telling myself that. So it'll taste good when I eat it. Because I'm hungry and I really need something to eat. Let's see what we got here. So let me take this out. I don't want to burn it. Oh, look at that. That is a full omelet. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. A full omelet. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What kind of noise was that? Oh my goodness, guys. Let me get, do I have a fork somewhere? I thought I had a fork. Oh, there it is. It's all in my stuff, all my ingredients. Okay, let's take this off. Look at this. Okay. Turn my stove off. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. A little bit browner than what I wanted. I got a little bit talk happy. Sorry, guys. Oh, but look at that. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, because let me look at the bottom. Is it? It's a little brown too. Well, that's all right. We'll be okay. Because I like it like this. I think it has a little bit of flavor to it when it's like crispy and brown like, you know. It's not burnt, you know, but it's got maybe cooked a little too much. But it's still good. I like it. To each your own. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm curious. Oh, I gotta get my cranberry sauce. Alright, let's put it on the side. Let's see what we got here. I'm just going to cut a little bit of it, and I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, now here we go. Here comes the kicker. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, let's see. Alright, this is the taster. This is the taste test. Oh, that's a big piece. How am I going to get that in my mouth? Oh, goodness. Let me go. See, I jinxed myself. I said, oh, I'm doing good. I'm not making a mess. And look, I have stuffing falling everywhere. Jeannie, zip it next time. Don't say anything. Okay, let's see. All right, okay. I got it. Turkey? Okay, let's get this. Let's see this. Oh, my goodness. I'm excited, y'all. Y'all ready? Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh my goodness. That is really good. It is good, I have to admit. I'm tasting the stuffing a lot more. Probably because it's got that liver in it. Liver has a distinct taste to it. But I love it. It's good. If you like liver, it's good. But you know, you use your own stuffing. But I can taste that liver. I can taste the turkey. And cranberry. Let's try it without the cranberry though. Yeah, cranberry was good. Oh, especially with all that saltiness, that was good. So let's see. Let me get a let's see, I want to make sure I get some corn. I haven't gotten any collards yet. Let's see. Oh, there's some. Let me pull that out. Okay, let's try this. This is a messy omelet. I will say that. Oh my goodness, it's messy. But you know, sometimes when it's messy like that, that means it's good. And it is. It is delicious. Thanksgiving all over again. Sorry, guys. Finger licking good. Let's try this one. That corn, that sweet corn, that's really good. It's so good. I think I'm missing the greens though. They're mixed in here. And, you know, when I get on the corners, I feel like I don't really get all the flavors that are mixed in. It's when I really start eating it that I get all the flavors, because it seems like the sides just have a little bit of the stuff. So, but I'm telling you, what I've tasted is so good. I mean, this is gonna be filling. And I gotta share with Mama. I want this one to myself. Well, I do have some more, so I can make another one. But y'all, let me tell you, I was kind of iffy about this though. It was sketchy. I was like, okay, let's try this out. But y'all, it is good. And it's good with the cranberry, and it's good without it. So delicious. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat the rest of it so I can taste the collards. Oh my goodness. So now we know. And after Thanksgiving omelet is the bomb diggity. It's good. Let me just have another piece. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm starving, and this is delicious. Oh, yes. This is that good stuff. That good. Yeah, one more bite, y'all. You gotta try it. Oh, I got some collards. I got some turkey in that one. Oh my goodness, yes. The Parmesan, the turkey. Oh, I got a big piece of turkey. Oh, that was good. Oh my, and I got a little bit of bell pepper. Yes, gives it a little bit more flavor. Okay, I got it all over me, y'all. Sorry. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. I gotta go cut my mom some and take her some for her to try. Thank y'all for tuning in. And like I said, I'm thinking about maybe a pork chop and maybe a country ham. I don't know, we'll see. But I don't know all the ingredients I'm gonna put in it, but I'm thinking. So those are my next two coming up. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all got to try this. This is so good, yummy, with the cranberry sauce. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.